So first we have given here permeability of change is equals to 8.85 times 10 to the power of negative 12 farad over meter. So sunod na po tayo, area is equals to 2 centimeter squared is equals to 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4 meter squared. So na po tayo, distance equals to 2 millimeter is equals to 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 meters. So first, kuha na to ang columns, which is ang atong formula is permeability of change times area. So na tayo given na rin ang permeability kani ato i-input o i-times na to sa area then over sa distance. So pag input na to, i-transpose na to is equals to 8.85 times 10 to the negative 13 farad. So sunod na to po is voltage is equals to Q over C, which is ang Q is charge and then ang C is columns. Natin mga value doon na. So ato lagi po input over equals 4.52 volts. So muna number 1, that's the voltage of the battery. So number 2 po na to ang L ay na-given nga L equals 0.285 ug na ay permeability of change equals to 4 milli times 10 to the power of negative 7 H over M. Naputay area nga 6 times 10 to the power of negative 4 meter squared. So ang formula na is L equals to permeability of change times N squared times area over L ang length. Ang ganing L is ang inductance. So para tong inductance na ni pag para to sa inductance is 36 ang iyang length kunya over I close and open parenthesis 10 meters over 1 cm is equals to 0.36 meters. So kung ano dahil na to ang terms para mo na dahil ang answers kaya mo lagi pangita. N is equals to square root of inductance over permeability of change. So ang mga unit na ni atong ipopotang so equals to 369 turns. So number 3, we have to get the electromotive force. So there is 3 types of formula. Natay negative L over change in current or change in current lang ulay katong negative L or equals to electromotive force over L. So atong ko is ang electromotive force nga ang formula is ang change in current. So change in current di over dt is equals to i-input na to tong mga values gain na which is ang di is ang negative 12.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 over 0.205 times 10 to the power of negative 3. If i-calculate nyo mas is equals to 43.86 amps per second. So na tayo answer 1, 2, or 3. Thank you.